Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of creative design, and today we are going to make a mechanical wrench in Illustrator. So let's dive into it. So starting with a circle, using ellipse tool and holding shift key to make a perfect circle, and duplicate it. For duplicating, just click and drag holding option key and shift key as well for alignment. Now make a rectangle of optimum size and finally select all these shapes and just trim the extra shapes. For trimming, select all the shapes and select the shaper tool and click on unwanted part holding option key. It will indicate a red on hover over. Just click, it will just disappear by itself. For more video on shaper tool, check out the description. Now using pen tool, make inner shape of the wrench. It's pretty easy actually. And again, to duplicate, click and drag by holding option key. But I am going to edit, then copy and paste in front. It will do the same job but in different way. Now it's time to trim extra components. Select all the shapes and using shaper tool, just click on the unwanted shapes holding option key. Now it's done. Hey guys, if you really enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel and like this video so that I can get the feedback, and in the near future coming out more tutorials like this. So thank you for watching. See you in the next.